Dear video viewers, we are come here visit in this railway station. The name of my railway station is Takmar railway station. It is a popular railway station in my district and in my upazila. The name of my upazila is Takmar upazila. It is a popular upazila. You can see this is a railway station. It communication Dhaka, Khulna, Rajshahi and Dinajpur. I have my father with me. The name of father is Partha Kumar Nandi, right? Okay, Partha Kumar Nandi. Partha Kumar Nandi is my favorite son, huh? Right? Okay. I am come here visit in this railway station. There are many people. There are many passengers in this railway station and visit railway station. I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. I have my friend and I have my father with me. The name of my father is Partha Kumar Nandi. Partho. It is my son. Okay, I ask you some question and I ask you more question. Are you ready, my dear son?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, first question. What's your name?
My name is Partha Nandi.
Okay, তুমি যখন কথা বলে একটু জোরে জোরে বলবে।
আচ্ছা।
Okay, what's your father name?
My father name is Jivan Kumar Nandi.
What's your mother name?
My mother name is Anuradha Rai.
Okay, very good. What is your village name?
My village name is Akkumoli.
Oh, acha. Do you like your village?
Yes, I like my village.
Okay, what class do you read?
I read in class 4.
Wow, very good. Okay, I ask you more question. Okay,
Acha.
what is your school name, please?
My school name is Akkumoli Government. Akkumoli Sarkari Prathamik Bidyalaya.
Wow, very good. Thank you. English is an international language. Just practice. If you practice, I hope that you will be able to speak in English. All right. What's
Yes.
your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Football. Do you like football?
Yes, I like football.
Why do you like play football?
Because football is international
Game.
game.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is
বিরিয়ানি হতে পারে হ্যাঁ
biryani.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you like biryani?
Yes, I like biryani.
Wow, তুমি কি ফল পছন্দ করো?
Yes,
What's your favorite food?
my favorite fruit is apple.
Apple. Do you like apple, right?
Yes, I like.
আচ্ছা, when do you get up?
I get up early in the morning.
When do you go to your school?
I go to school
Huh?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay. What's your small brother, name of small brother?
My school mother name is Sri Chaitanya Nandi.
Do you like Chaitanya Nandi, love Chaitanya Nandi?
Yes, I love Chaitanya Nandi.
Very good.